Join me as we span the globe, meeting the people working hard to attain their own net worth. From cleaning fluids to manufacturing processes, most of our activities do some harm to the environment. But if we use our untapped reserves of common sense, we can find ways to be more environmentally friendly. Let's take a look at some ideas. In our modern, eco-conscious world, there's a prevailing stigma over the use of plastic. The perception is that plastics aren't as environmentally friendly as materials like wood, metal, or glass. But the fact is, that's not necessarily true. Not only are plastics completely recyclable, they are also a perfectly viable alternative.
There are a lot of different types of plastics that are suitable replacements for metal, glass, and wood, from clear acrylics to advanced engineered plastics such as nylon or polyethylenes. There are many different plastic options that can provide better performance and sometimes at a lower cost, all with the ability to be recycled at the end of its serviceable life.
Cope Plastics is a fabricator and distributor of plastic sheet, rod, and tube. With over 300,000 square feet of material supply, the company's robust supply chain is supported by over a dozen warehousing and sales locations.
As a women-owned family company, Cope Plastics has delivered solutions to thousands of customers since 1946. We offer some of the most advanced machining capabilities in North America, with over 160,000 square feet of space dedicated to fabrication, including over 40 CNC machines and extensive custom fabrication capabilities.
Cope says one thing that sets plastics apart from the alternatives is its ability to perform in extreme environments. Some plastics perform better with chemicals, others in a moist environment, others in high temperatures, others still where self-lubrication and extended wear are required. Chances are there's a plastic that can address any need regardless of application.
Every industry, from aerospace to food service, from medical to semiconductor, from heavy equipment to alternative energy, can benefit from the right plastic for the right environment. For companies searching for ways to lower costs, plastics offer increased chemical and temperature resistance, better wear, and reduced weight, all leading to a lower total cost of ownership.
Similar to competing materials, plastics can be machined to hold tight tolerances. Cope Plastics' high-end CNC machines are capable of fabricating complex parts that hold tolerances as demanding as metals.
Our plastics are engineered to address specific operating environments, and each type of plastic has specific physical traits that make it a best fit for different application. If tight tolerances are required for complex parts, we have a plastic that will meet the need.
One of the greatest benefits of using plastic is its ability to reduce the cost of maintenance and ownership. For one, plastics are often used to protect other parts by absorbing the wear and tear. Self-lubricating plastics help cut down maintenance costs by keeping production lines running smoothly and minimizing downtime.
Whatever the application, there is a plastic that will help minimize maintenance cycles and cost. High-end engineering plastics offer self-lubrication, lower maintenance costs, higher mean time between failures, and overall lower cost of ownership for our customers. And of course, the ability to be recycled.
Cope asserts that if handled responsibly, plastics can have little impact on the environment. Because plastic is renewable, the material can be used almost indefinitely through the recycling process. Even if plastics do end up in landfills, most will slowly degrade like metal and glass.
As with all man-made components and materials, the primary method for minimizing the impact on our environment is responsible handling and comprehensive recycling programs. For example, we recycle over 1.5 million pounds of plastic a year on behalf of our customers in our solar-powered green facility, and that's just the tip of the iceberg.
In an effort to raise greater awareness about recycling and the environment, Cope has launched several initiatives and regularly hosts engineering seminars to educate the industry.
The use of plastics in all industries will continue to grow, and Cope Plastics will be at the forefront of those efforts by providing education on the use of plastics, as well as their responsible disposal. We will continue to play a leading role in taking plastics to more manufacturers as alternatives to more costly, heavier, less reliable, and less sustainable materials.